peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today this is a slight change from what I had hoped to be bringing you today. I have been a little bit unwell, and therefore I'm not as far along in my diamond painting as I was hoping to be by now. But I do have a little unboxing for you, so I thought I would share that with you instead. And yeah, it's still diamond painting related, so we'll get straight into it. So these are a couple of items that I picked up from TEMU. The first one is this little box here. It says diamond sticker, diamond painting tech top team on it, but it is not just your standard diamond painting sticker. So these are, is that everything? Yeah, okay. So your basic kit, your boat, your wax, your pen, a couple of baggies thrown in for good measure. Lovely. I'll go through the drills in a moment, but what we've got here is a set of, I want to say hair clips. I'm not sure if clips is the correct term for them. Hair fasteners. The way that they work is that you would poke your, there you go. So your hair will go through this bit and then you secure it with this stick. So it's kind of like if you ever put your hair up with chopsticks or hairpins, then that's how it works. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. They are all very nice sort of mandala-esque floral designs. They have a plastic cover, when peeled back reveals very, very sticky hot glue. Very nice indeed. And yeah, obviously if you don't want to put them in your hair, you could stick magnets on the back, have them as nice big chunky magnets. You could probably get away with using them as cup mats. They're just about big enough maybe, but there are a fair few options there. So we'll have a little look at the diamonds. Got some nice special ones here. So we've got these nice blue ones, we've got pink, we've got green. These are all in that nice petal shape. We've got yellow, we've got pink rounds, yellow rounds, green, blue, purple, pink and orange. So lovely selection there of special drills. These should be really fun little projects to do, whatever you decide to use them for, but I will be wearing them in my hair. These are from TEMU. They have a recommended retail price of £8.21 for the set, but on TEMU I got them for £3.90. And of course, as with all things on TEMU, it's well worth sticking them in your cart, leaving it for a couple of days and seeing if they offer you a good deal. So that was my first thing. And yeah, I'm pleased with those. I'm not sure when I will get around to doing them. They will probably be a little thing that I sit in front of the telly and do one night when I'm not feeling up to being at the desk. Don't want to lose those. Okay. And the other item is this big chunk. Let's see if I can move you up. Oh, there's my messy desk. You can see that. Okay. This big guy here. So this is a 54 pot storage. My favourite sort of storage has always been these cases, but rather than having the screw top pots in, this one has got these. Oh, how easy are they to open? Oh, they're not too bad. These sort of pots. So I'm thinking that these might be good for if you're using larger special shapes, or if you've got a lot of one colour. Obviously I have got my big round pots, but I think this might be nice. I will admit I wanted one of these after I saw one of my Crafty Coven members, Kay. She was kitting up into some very similar storage to this, and I was like, what is that storage? That looks really good. And yeah, so then I went searching and found this. So yeah, so you've got 2 layers. and they're at 9 per row, 3 rows. So that's a little bit snug on the bottom, I will say, but that's fine. Top row fits in fine. Yeah, so I'm not sure how well I will get on with using these. I do think they'll be nice for if you just want to, you know, open up a pot, grab a couple of diamonds and then put them away again. Obviously you've got lots of nice area for sticking your labels on. I think this could be really good. Obviously, as always, the proof is in the pudding. I will use it for a diamond painting and then we'll see how I get on. This has a recommended retail price of £33.99. That's pounds sterling, and the TEMU price was £14.93. So I was quite happy to pay that to give this a little go and see how it works out for me. It's nice that it's a purple colour. I think they had it in blue as well if you prefer a blue zip. And you can get it in the 27 pot. So just a single layer, but that was priced at £10.54. So you're not really saving too much with the difference between £10.54 and £14.93 for twice as much storage. I think I would rather get the big one and only use half of it and then have the option of having an overflow if you need it. So those are my little TEMU purchases for this month. Thank you to Kay for giving me the inspiration for getting this, and this was just like a little random find, something a little bit different that I hadn't seen before. I've done little hair clips before from diamond painting companies, items like this that sometimes come, this one's actually lost its backing, but they come with a little crocodile clip on the back. So I've done those sorts of hair clips before, but I hadn't seen anything like that. So that is all from me. Thank you for joining me. Huge apologies for my lack of content on Wednesday. I have not been a well bunny, but I am coming back in full force and you will be seeing a lot more from me in the future. Thank you to everybody that sent me well wishes as well. That really means a lot and helped me to feel a lot happier. So thank you. Huge thanks as always to those of you that support me over on Patreon and here as channel members. If you want to join them, the link is down below. It is from just 99p per month and I will send you some stickers. That is all from me for today. Thank you for joining me once again, and until next time, stay crafty.